this video. Today I'm going to show you how to use tfenv to manage multiple Terraform versions in your system. This is very helpful when you have Terraform templates that were created by using different versions of Terraform. And this is why you need tfenv to manage different Terraform versions. But first, if this is your first time in the channel, I'll invite you to take a look at the channel playlist, where you will find a lot of free tutorials for Jenkins, Docker, AWS, Terraform, Ansible, SonarQube, security, Bash, and more. Okay, let's start. First, I'm going to check what versions I have in my system by using tfenv list. As you can see, I have only two versions, 1.1, 1.7, and the 0.14, and the default one is the 1.1.7. But if I have a Terraform template that was created with the Terraform version 1.1.8, I need to install that version, and for that I can use tfenv install and then the version that I need. In this case, the command will connect to the HashiCorp repository and it will retrieve the binary and install it in my system. Now, if I do this, I will have listed the other version. But in my case, I don't know what's the Terraform latest version. So for that, I'm going to use latest, because there is a symlink in the HashiCorp releases, and it will download the latest, in this case 1.4.2. Once again, I can check this and I have the latest installed in my system. Now, how can I use the latest? Because if I do this version, it's enable the .7, but I want the latest in this case. So for that, I need to use tfenv with the option use and then the version I need. After that, I can do a Terraform version again, and it will retrieve the actual version for my default installation, which is the 4.2.